Cost per action, sometimes misconstrued in marketing environments as cost per acquisition, is an online advertising measurement and pricing model referring to a specified action, for example, a sale, click, or form submission. CPA is an advertising or affiliate marketing model that involves paying your CPA partners a determined commission after a sale occurs or a desired action is completed. With the right affiliates and the right audience, CPA marketing can effectively and efficiently deliver results. Instead of just driving impressions and clicks, CPA marketing can generate leads, elevate your brand to new heights and push conversions, enabling businesses to scale up. Majority of affiliate marketers partner with different companies in order to diversify their content and CPA offers, which allows them to provide options for their followers or site visitors and proffer solutions to their distinct pain points. CPA marketing has three main categories. Pay-per-sale, as the name implies, is when you the marketer are paid when a visitor uses your affiliate link and makes a purchase through your partner website. Pay-per-action, affiliates get paid for the leads they've generated. Pay-per-action involves a set of actions that a visitor must perform or complete. This includes watching video, filling out a form, or signing up for a free trial, and many more. Recurring payments, if in event you regularly attract new subscribers to your partner website, you will regularly get commissions from the monthly subscription fees. CPA networks act as a bridge that links advertisers and publishers. CPA networks specialize in implementing cost-per-action campaigns. In addition, they're agencies that determine whether or not you're a legitimate business that can send qualified leads to them. Because of their strict criteria and requirements, joining CPA networks can be challenging. The key here is to be transparent and take proactive measures that can help you get accepted. CPA networks aren't just for experienced affiliate marketers, they're great for beginners as well. And while joining one can be a bit tricky, it does have a lot of benefits, including relatively high payouts. A wealth of CPA offers. There are many CPA offers to choose from. Listings you can filter according to your expertise or niche. If you're planning on joining a CPA network, here are some of the best networks for advertisers and publishers. Some of these networks have a minimum payment threshold ranging from $35 to $100. Max Bound, Crack Revenue, Click Dealer, Ad Work Media, CPA Lead. Offers and terms of service from CPA networks can change while you're in the middle of implementing your campaign. This means that you can potentially lose time and money before reaching your target return on investment, ROI. Moreover, these networks take a share of the profit for their services. If you want to increase your chances of getting a higher ROI, you might want to check out in-house programs that cater to your specific niche and traffic sources. Tips on how to get accepted by a CPA network as an affiliate marketer. Create a website. If you don't have a website yet, now is the best time to create one. Construct a website that reflects your brand skills and experience as an affiliate marketer. You can use WordPress, which is an open source and easy to use CMS platform. Alternatively, you can hire someone else to create and design your website. Use your domain name in your email. You might also want to consider creating an email that includes your domain name and looks like this: yourname@yourdomain.com. Some CPA networks might instantly reject applications that use a free email address, as these are easy to create and don't provide verification that you actually own the website. Start with your local CPA networks. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to start applying to local or smaller CPA networks. You can apply for the bigger and more popular ones once you've gained enough experience with CPA marketing. Bigger CPA networks also typically receive a large number of applications, which can make it more grueling for you to get in. Once you get accepted to a CPA network, you can start browsing for offers that fit your niche. After selecting the offers, you can start promoting them on your website. CPA niches, whether you're starting a blog or selling on Amazon, focusing on a niche is one of the most effective ways to gain organic traffic while establishing yourself as a subject matter expert. Not every niche has the potential to be profitable. As an affiliate marketer, you have to find a lucrative niche where you can excel at. Here are some of the top CPA marketing niches that are worth considering. Mobile apps, health, finance, relationship, jobs or career. The fact remains that these are broad categories. You can opt to choose smaller sub-niches to create more personalized content. For example, if you've chosen the health niche, you can focus on sub-niches such as weight loss, fitness and skincare. Finding your niche. Finding your niches. There are a variety of niches available. How can you find the best one for your brand? Aside from picking a niche based on your expertise, you also have to consider fields of interest that have a big audience and are evergreen. Research is key. Research is imperative when finding the best niches. Thankfully, there are plenty of tools you can use, such as Quantcast and Google AdWords. These can help you generate statistics and analytics that you can use to gain more insight on the market. Use Google AdWords. Google AdWords Keyword Planner lets you filter niche keywords, as well as check their performance and potential profitability through their cost per click. Find CPA offers. You can as well explore third-party sites like Offer Vault to find relevant offers under your niche. All these platforms enable you to filter results by traffic sources and payment models. Given the wealth of offers on these sites, it's best to choose projects that are reputable to avoid the risk of visitors leaving your site. Join a CPA network such as Amazon Associates. It gives you access to a wealth of offers, and some even offer generous commissions. Many CPA offers require you to join their parental network. While joining one can be rewarding for affiliate marketers, sometimes it can be difficult getting accepted. CPA marketing versus affiliate marketing. CPA marketing is one type of affiliate marketing. In the former, you're paid every time you generate a lead or when someone completes an action, which doesn't necessarily require a visitor to buy anything from your affiliate network. In affiliate marketing, you get a commission only after a visitor makes a purchase. We've already established that CPA marketing operates on a cost per action basis. As the marketer, you're free to choose which offers you want to promote, which can either be cost per sale, CPS, offers, or cost per lead, corporal, offers. The process itself is pretty straightforward. You need to sign up for a CPA affiliate network where you'll find CPA offers from advertisers or vendors. You go on to select the type of offer you want to promote, which could either be CPS or corporal. You'll then create a landing page to which you'll be sending traffic. When a visitor clicks on the affiliate link on your landing page, they'll be redirected to the original CPA offer page. The affiliate marketer usually earns money once a visitor completes a desired set of actions, which could include purchasing a product, signing up for a free trial, or submitting a form. CPA marketing helps in connecting brands with customers and generating sales and increasing brand visibility. Being a relatively low-risk marketing strategy, you need not pay for traffic that does not convert as you pay after the sale. It offers a high ROI. Expands marketing reach as it provides scale and distribution. Aside from these, CPA marketing also offers other benefits for businesses, including ease of setup. Technically, CPA marketing requires only two things to set it up: a website and a CPA network. Once you've set up your website, you can join a CPA network and start looking for offers within your niche. No upfront payment with CPA marketing. There's no need to pay affiliate marketers upfront or pay them for site visits that don't turn into conversions. Potential to earn a higher ROI. Truly, it has a low barrier to entry and is more affordable in the long run. Instead of focusing on digital ad campaigns for impressions or clicks, which won't necessarily guarantee conversions, you can instead zero in on CPA marketing. Affiliate marketing can deliver a 58% higher average customer revenue. It can also bring in a higher order average per customer and average order value at 31% and 21%, respectively. Expanding your reach. This can expand marketing reach as it provides scale and distribution. CPA marketing has the potential to expand your audience. By partnering with influencers, you'd essentially be getting your products in front of more people. Many influencers have already built up a huge following on their social media platforms. This allows you to diversify your distribution, which in turn can help your business scale up faster. CPA promotion methods. The facts remain that there are different ways to promote your CPA campaigns. Here are some of the popular CPA promotional methods you can use. The sales or landing page serves as the first point of contact for your visitors. It allows them to learn more about the product or service that's being promoted. To engage your visitors and to avert getting high bounce rates, try to keep your landing page fun, simple, and informative. Make sure to utilize eye-catching graphics that accompany product information, or you can turn your landing page into something more interactive by adding quizzes or games. Alternatively, you can use your website as a review website where you feature products from your affiliate partner. The products reviewed will contain links back to your affiliate partner's website, where visitors can complete an action or make a purchase. To maximize your per acquisition costs while generating content and ads that can pave the way for more conversions. Keep your audience curious. Keep your audience curious when promoting a CPA offer. It's not enough to just create compelling ads or an engaging landing page. It is important to bank on your audience's curiosity. Create ads that encourage them to click on your link or know more about the product you're promoting. Try crafting intriguing content or eye-catching graphics while still highlighting the product's benefits. Design a compelling landing page. It doesn't always have to be elaborate. It can be simple yet powerful. Moreover, it has to help your audience learn more about what you're promoting while still being clear and convincing. Clicks and impressions are good, but they don't necessarily guarantee conversions. To optimize your CPA, focus your efforts on gaining conversions. Remember that your goal is to encourage your audience to perform a desired action. Consider working with an affiliate manager. For brands, working with an affiliate manager can help you make the most out of your CPA campaigns. Their duties include reviewing offers and providing insight on which offers to prioritize, curating content for more effective promotion, connecting you with top-performing affiliates, negotiating contracts with your affiliates, monitoring your ROI. Track your campaigns. However, after promoting your selected CPA offers, it is necessary to track your campaigns and their performance, along with any issues that may come up. Some of the important factors you need to monitor to assess the effectivity of your campaigns include traffic source, PPC ads, keywords or landing pages that encourage conversions. Dubious networks thrive in the world of CPA marketing. To avoid working with these types of networks, do thorough research. Avoid CPA networks with bad reviews and consider using click fraud prevention software. You can check CPA network reviews on sites such as ODigger. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications button so you don't miss more videos on CPA marketing and more. Check the playlist of my videos on making money online and I'll see you in the next video.